Ka election chiteng samai ha GAMBEGRE constituency West Carroll district kanong ha ka khata tarik unai wing bakene nyo buat pakanong ka artful light tarik. Ya kan ke election lah ban pelong ban mipi ha ka jaka jo saling sangma obla inono ira kam MLA hadi mula jawab kam MP jong katura. Ha kan ke election enyo iya ke jeng Ïakhun jo ki angut ki kurem na kalong yeng no sam jo ki sangma kata ka meta option di sangma kalok jo konra sangma Baka sadia rani sangma kalok jok Senate sangma kabanyakon nakasang Trinamool Congress baka BJP part kalak mapenyakon yor Bernard Marak katman nakadang jok kasang Congress kabalong katry jok ani konstitusi kalak mapenyakon jengjang Marak ubarang uparok bejan bat usaleng. Nagamenta kini ke election chitang samai Chief Electoral Officer jok Jala Meghalaya uli tu bagiton palat live hajar ngut kena tabut akam BGRE constituency bat kajeng tabut kalong hake sanfui teli ki polling station ban nekal yang kecela katan election kala pengkrea nana cadong ban penlong yang di election.
Commission of India has declared the election schedule for 2 states as well as by elections in the several states. Accordingly, 56 GAMBEGRE ST constituency in West Garo Hill district in state of Meghalaya is also going for by elections. So schedule is as follows. Date of issue of Gazette notification is 18th October 2024 on Friday. Last date of making nomination will be on 25th October 2024 on Friday. Date for scrutiny of nomination is 28th October, Monday, and last date for withdrawal of candidature is 30th October 2024. The poll will held on 13th November 2024 on Wednesday. Date of counting of votes will be on the 23rd November 2024.
Hakabede bakali election na po GAMBEGRE nakaliang kasang VPP ke basang masuthit Garo Hill district Hato kan penyang kertong na em nakani ke konstitusi hakani ke election chitang samai tunya sengap ya kajinya tu jong ba Arden president jo kasang VPP.
Kadang kajing keliru kajing mak berhubung lesi ba VP kerap say kandidat am kata boy poll apa GAMBEGRE tidak terjaga mereka tak lagi.
Kat ki bangi kendo hi kini na kini ki district ki bobon ki ko abangin say but ki ong ngiru ngi ko aban say ban ye trailang nam tagani ka by election. Tenre ke party hi kayang hakanong rin balarang yo ya u candidate bobiang. Mo ese bakloy bobiang pat uba la ngam kata kajing soto. Hakanong rin jo ka party ka party kan say tenre la rakam long nginum pat yo bokom taw nong lam la ni Kloy ban mi perthai no mata masong ngin pat da kerki than ye ka by election ten ring ngim pat ya hadu manta ngim pat khang ya kata ka jingkhang ni dang pli la da hakini kisi ka don kono ka jing terwa le si bangin sei ni sa shimai dai ya karai